Welcome back to Apple Insider, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech news. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of 2025, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This smartphone is turning heads for a reason, and in this video, we're going to break down what makes it so special. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Let's get into it. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a significant step forward for the company, blending cutting-edge tech with a design that feels both futuristic and premium. Starting with the display, we've got a massive 6.9-inch OLED panel with a 3200x1440 resolution, capable of reaching 2000 nits peak brightness. Whether you're watching HDR content or gaming in the brightest of environments, this screen is made to impress. Now, this is where Xiaomi really stands out: the design. The 15 Ultra features an ultra-thin ceramic frame with a beautiful matte finish. It's almost bezel-less, with curves that make it feel like a seamless piece of technology. And yes, it still retains IP68 water and dust resistance, so durability isn't an issue. Moving on to the cameras, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra comes with a 200-megapixel primary sensor, which might just be the highest we've seen on any smartphone yet. The upgraded Leica optics deliver stunning color accuracy and sharpness, and the periscope telephoto lens now supports up to 10x optical zoom. This device is ready to take on flagship-level competition, especially in terms of photography. But it's not just the camera system that's impressive. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with a monstrous 16GB of RAM and a 5000 mAh battery that supports fast charging at 120W. That means you can go from 0 to 100% in just around 20 minutes, a game changer for those always on the go. Another interesting feature is the integration of Xiaomi's new MIUI 15, which is designed to make multitasking smoother than ever. The software is optimized for performance, and with the ultra-high refresh rate of up to 144 Hz, the overall experience feels incredibly fluid. When it comes to 5G, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra isn't falling short either. It supports the latest 5G bands, ensuring lightning-fast download and upload speeds, even in crowded urban environments. And with the built-in Wi-Fi 7 support, it's future-proof for high-speed connections. Xiaomi has also incorporated a host of AI-driven features, from improved voice recognition to intelligent battery management, making the device feel more intuitive with each use. And, of course, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra has made sure to prioritize sustainability, using recyclable materials and a more energy-efficient display. It's a step in the right direction for the eco-conscious consumer. So, what's the final verdict on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra? It's a powerhouse of a device that packs the latest technology into a stunning, ultra-premium design. Whether you're into photography, gaming, or simply want a phone that can keep up with your lifestyle, this could be the one to beat in 2025. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is certainly one to watch. Thanks for tuning in to Apple Insider. Let us know what you think about the Xiaomi 15 Ultra in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. We'll see you in the next video.